Today I will be showing you how to do a spread plate method. I've already aseptically cleaned my area using germicide, wiping that down with paper towels, and disposing of the paper towels in our biohazardous waste container. We'll need to grab a sterile nutrient agar plate, and on the bottom of that with my initials, I will label that with a channel marker, as well as the microbials identifications. We'll flip that back over. I will then need to turn on my Bunsen burner. And while that's getting warmed up, I will need to grab my pipetter. And I will need to grab my liquid stock culture. We'll open that up. We'll flame it for 3 seconds over our Bunsen burner. We'll then grab that. We'll flame it again. We will close it. We'll put that back into our test tube rack. We can then disperse that onto the surface of our agar, closing that, and disposing of our tool in the biohazardous waste container, the pipette and the biohazardous waste container. We now will need to grab our tool that will be used to spread the cells. We will be using a cell spreader or a hockey stick. We'll need to grab our petri dish with our 95% ethanol. We'll dip our cell spreader in that. We'll ignite it on fire with our Bunsen burner. So we'll dip that into the ethanol, and we'll ignite that with our Bunsen burner, and we'll let that burn off. Our tool is now sterile, so then we can go ahead and we will clamshell our petri dish, and we will spread our cells around the dish. We'll then take our ethanol again. We'll dip our cell spreader in that. We'll reignite that as well. Let that burn off. Our tool is now sterile and can be put down. We can then remove our ethanol plate. We will then face up, place this into the incubator for 48 hours to let colonies form. We now have to clean our work area, and we can do so by using germicide, spraying that all over our area, using paper towels, wiping that up, disposing of our paper towels in our biohazardous waste container. We'll then take off our gloves, our lab coat, and we will wash our hands.